What's up to my gang? What's up to my squad? It's Slum back with another bang. And today I'm going to be reviewing the new Wendy's loaded nacho cheeseburger and the loaded nacho chicken sandwich, along with some of the loaded nacho fries. All right. So we about to get into this mukbang, all right, y'all. So y'all stand by. We got the goods, gang. We got the goods. We got the loaded nacho burger first. We got the burger first. Got good old lettuce, tomato, cheese. We got some tortilla chips and some sauce and all that on there too. All right. First bite of this loaded nacho cheeseburger. Let's do it. Go. Oh. That's pretty busted. Take one more bite of that. There y'all go. That's so good. That bread is good too. I get a burger. Burger pretty good. It's juicy. It's not dry. I give it a good 8 out of 10. We'll give it a 10 out of 10. Let's try this chicken sandwich now. Now we got the chicken sandwich. Loaded nacho chicken sandwich. It has the same thing as what was on the burger. The same thing as on this chicken sandwich, all right? Time to do a taste test. Y'all ready? 1, 2. And we're comparing and contrasting. I tell you, fast food restaurants do not give you napkins anymore. You gotta ask for everything that's essential. I don't know, y'all. This might be better than the burger. We're gonna do another bite. We're gonna do a drink. My drink today is my detox water. Delicioso. I'm gonna have to go with the chicken sandwich is better than the burger to me. A chicken sandwich busting. Chicken sandwich 10 out of 10. I'll say the burger is 8 out of 10. I feel like the chicken one meshes well more with the loaded nacho stuff that's in it. That, you know, blends. But I gotta give this loaded nacho chicken sandwich off the chain 10 out of 10, shawty. I'm telling you, this is some bomb-ass, fresh-ass chicken. Chicken got it going on. And that bread is good, too. I don't know what kind of bread this is, but it's good. Sorry, guys. Don't give me no napkin. No drink. Oh, man. Both of the sandwiches was busting, but that chicken one, man, it just meshed so well with that loaded Then loaded nacho. All that stuff that it includes with the loaded stuff, the loaded nacho is so perfect with that chicken. I swear it is. Now, we got the loaded cheese fries. Okay. Yeah. That's how they're looking. Like that. It looks like the same stuff that might be in the bread is in these fries here. Let's give it a little ASMR for y'all. Getting this fork up out of here. Let's do it. Got the cheese fries. Let's see what they hitting on. Look at that cheese pool, y'all. This is a cheese pool. This cheese pool. Let's do it. Wendy, y'all doing it. Y'all is doing it, boy. They're doing it, y'all. Loaded cheese. You gotta love cheese, but look at the cheese pool, though. I mean. Bust. I would give their fries a good old, if it's hot like I just ate mine, good old 10 out of 10, pretty good. 8 out of 10, highest ranking. A lot of people don't want to be nice. But why not a 10 out of 10? It's pretty good. What's wrong with it? 8 out of 10 for the burger, 10 out of 10 for the chicken sandwich, and 10 out of 10 for the loaded fries, man. Y'all gotta go try them at Wendy's. Go try them at Wendy's now. So here, last but not least, I have the receipt for everything I just got. Everything I just got came to the good old price of $18.67. Right? $18.67. And that is with just the loaded nacho cheeseburger by itself, the loaded chicken sandwich, loaded nacho chicken sandwich by itself, and the loaded cheese fries by itself. 3 things, 3 items for the total of $18.67, guys. $18.67. That is the total. Alright? So, whenever y'all get some free time in life, y'all make sure y'all go try these the loaded burger, the chicken sandwich, and the loaded fries. You will not be disappointed. It is amazing. It is good. It is delicious. Delicioso. Hasta luego.